Hello dear friends, welcome to my YouTube video. I am Mehmet Çelik. I am a third year student in electrical and electronic engineering. I am continuing my education at İzmir Katip Çelebi University. Today, I am going to tell you about my final project for the microprocessors lesson. I decided to do a game for my final project. The Steeplechase game was later selected for this project. I tried to make this game, which is an important part of the Olympic Games, fun with various selected characters. Now, first of all, I will tell you about my home screen. When we run our game in the Proteus environment, we have two options on our home screen. These options are Start and About. We can run this project. You can see my home screen. This is Start and this is About. And at the same time, with this screen, our Pink Panther music is playing in the background. You can hear that music in the background. If we press About button on our home screen, you can use this button for About, and we can press this button. The About screen is coming, and this is information for About Me. After the About screen, our game returns to the home screen. From here, we can start our game by pressing the Start button. You can see the Start button, and if you press this button, the characters screen is coming. The characters we used in this game are two world-famous 100-meter runners, Usain Bolt and Tyson. I determined our third character in terms of adding color to the game. That's why our third character is Mehmet Çelik. On this screen, we can select the character we want and start the game by using the buttons allocated for character selections. This is our buttons, and this button is for Usain Bolt, and this button is for Tyson, and this button is for Mehmet Çelik. In my video, I will play the game and promote it with all the characters respectively. When we select our character and start our game, our character automatically runs. We will try to dodge the obstacles by using the jump button to automatically run this character. This is jump button. You can see here. We also have one acceleration button, and this button is speed up button for acceleration. If we use this button, the score will increase, but this key, it makes the game quite difficult to play. Finally, we have pause and long jump keys. By pressing pause, we can pause our game wherever we want. In the last stage, we will use the long jump button to go to our final screen. In our final screen, different finishes await us for each different character. The score collected according to the gameplay of the game is seen on our LCD screen. According to the scores received, our highest score is printed on the LCD screen. This is score, and this is the best score for our game. After all these functions described, let's first choose our character Usain Bolt and start playing our game. In the first part, there are one obstacle. If we get stuck in this obstacle, we come across the game over screen and the astronomia music is playing in the background. Let's choose our character. and the obstacle is here. After waiting for a while, our game automatically returns to the character selection screen. We will continue by selecting Usain Bolt again. This time, we jump over the obstacle in stage 1 and move on. And here comes the second part, which is very difficult. We will try to cross this stage together. And let's try again for the second part. And the second part is coming. After trying a few times, we can't get through, so I disabled the obstacles in the second stage only for my acceleration button to make my video presentation to you. In the second part, we will use acceleration button. I will go to the third part using my acceleration button, and we will continue my presentation in this way. And again, we can select Usain Bolt. We can jump from the first obstacle, and we can use speed up button in this part. In the third part, we face a triple obstacle. We can't cross this obstacle with a normal jump. So we need to use our long jump button. We will use long jump button for the third stage. Let's try again for Usain Bolt. Here is the second part, and we will use long jump button here. When we go to the final screen, the Usain Bolt is coming. The champion Usain Bolt appears on the spatial screen. One TV screen is also available for the pause button. If we press pause while playing the game, some of our game characters appear on our school's TV. Let's see that spatial TV, and this is our pause button, and this is our school's TV, and this is our spatial characters for our schools. And we can press again pause button. And let's play again for Usain Bolt. We can use jump button again. And second part, we will do speed up button. And we can long jump button in this part. And spatial final screen is coming. This is our character, Usain Bolt. Now, we will try all these described events with different characters. Let's try the same events, this time for Tyson A, respectively. The same events happen when we play our game in its usual flow. Unlike other characters, our final screen is changing. This time, in our final screen, we come across Tyson A as the champion on the spatial screen. Let's begin for the Tyson A. This is our character for Tyson game, and we can jump. Let us try. We can jump. And move on to the second part. You can use speed up button and pause button here. And this is our pause screen again. And you can use again pause button. And its game over screen is coming. Again, we play for Tyson game. We can jump over from the obstacle. We can jump over again. Game over screen. And we will jump again. Game over screen. And speed up button, and we will use long jump button, and the final screen is coming. This is our special screen for Tyson game, and this is our character. When Mehmet and Çelik, our last character, is selected, our game can be played again. In our final screen, Mehmet and Çelik appears as the champion this time. Let's try all configuration with Mehmet and Çelik. We can use Mehmet and Çelik button, and the character is coming on the screen. Again, we can select Mehmet and Çelik, and we will jump from the first obstacle, and this car is running, and we will speed up button, and we will use long jump button, and the final screen is coming. This is our last character, and the score is here, and the best score is here. Again, we can play for Mehmet and Çelik. We can jump from the first. We can jump over the obstacle, and we can use pause button. This is our school's TV again, and we can use again pause button. We can jump from the obstacle. We can speed up, and again game over. And finally, we can try again for Mehmet and Çelik. We will try to make best score. We can try again. We will jump. And we will use speed up button. And we can long jump button. And the best score is coming. And the final screen is here for Mehmet and Çelik. Today, I told you about my game. Thank you all for watching me. I hope it was a pleasant video for you. Have a nice day, YouTube.